Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to change the app language in Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can find it either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled General Management. Tap on it to move to the next step. Step 3. In the General Management menu, look for an option called App Languages. When you see it, tap on it to open the list of apps. Step 4. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find the specific app for which you want to change the language and tap on it. Step 5. Now, a menu with different languages will appear. Browse through the options, find the language you want to use, and simply tap on it to set it as the app's language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the app language in Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.